Yes, my dear children. In this class, we are going to discuss concepts of exercise 1.5. In this exercise, complement of a set. What is meant by complement of a set? Complement of a set. Okay. Suppose this is a universal set. In this universal set, let us consider A is a set. A is a subset of this universal set. Now, if you ignore this set in this universal set, if you ignore that universal set, if you cut this set, the remaining part will be left there. Yes or no? This is shaded region. This slant lines shaded region denotes complement of the set A. Complement of the set A. And it is denoted by A dash or A complement. Now I will
Sir,
define complement of the set A. Okay.
sir,
Who is this?
sir. Yes, Ron, sir.
Yes, my dear Samuel.
Sir, we cannot see the side part of your notebook, sir.
What about others? Which side? Samuel?
Sir, the
Uh,
diagram is not clear, sir. Zoom out, sir.
Now, is it okay?
No, sir. It is very too close, sir.
Now,
So left side of your screen is um
who is that?
sir, left side of your screen is not visible, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
is it okay? My dear children?
Sir, left side half is clear, sir. Right side half is clear.
This one?
It is clear, sir.
Now, is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay for all of you? So, here if you take a universal set, you know, universal set is represented by a rectangle. In this universal set, we have taken a set, subset of the universal set A. We have taken a set A, which is a subset of this universal set. If you cut this set, the remaining part in the universal set is called complement of set A. Okay, my children. Now, let us define how to find complement of a set A. What is the formula? Let U be the universal set. Let U be the universal set and a subset a subset of the universal set. Then the complement of Then the complement of A. Then the complement of A is the set of all elements. The set of all elements of universal set which are not the elements of A. This is the definition of complement of set A. Symbolically, we write we use this symbol to denote complement of set A, and it is read as A dash, or sometimes we use this notation also, A complement. This is the definition of complement of set A, and this is the notation A dash or A complement. These are the notations of A complement, and this is the definition of A complement. And this is a pictorial representation of A complement. Pictorial representation of A complement. With respect to the universal set. Thus, A complement, A dash or A complement is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to universal set and does not belong to A. X does not belong to A. This is a set builder form of A complement. Now come to the formula, how to find A complement. Obviously, A dash or A complement is equal to universal set minus A. You have to remember main point of this definition is U minus A, universal set minus A. A complement. This is the formula to find complement of the set A. It is nothing but the difference of the two sets, universal set and set A. Okay, my children. Next point, second point, De Morgan laws. De Morgan laws. The first one is A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. And the second one, there are two De Morgan's laws. The first one is A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. And another one, A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Just intersection changes to union, union changes to intersection. These two are said to be De Morgan's laws of complement of sets. Now let us discuss properties of complement of a set. Let us discuss the properties of complement of a set. The first property, that is complement laws. Complement laws. These are said to be complement laws. A union A complement is equal to universal set, and the second one, A intersection A complement is equal to 5. These two are said to be complement laws. And the second one, De Morgan's laws. We have already discussed. Again, I will write De Morgan's laws. The first one, A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. And the second one, A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay, my children. And two more laws are there. Two more properties are there. Complement of a set. Once you take the screenshot of this page, my dear children. My dear Mahima.
Yes, sir.
Can you take the screenshot of this page?
Yes, sir.
And send it to my WhatsApp group. WhatsApp. Take a screenshot. Take screenshot.
Sir, sent it, sir.
Okay, ma. Thank you. Okay, my dear children. Right. And two more properties are there. Two more properties. That is law of, in the examination they won't ask these all these properties. Okay, ultimately you remember only formula A dash is equal to universal set minus A. That is the main important thing. Okay, my children, just for knowledge we are discussing these points, but in the examination point of view they will not ask you what is the law of double complement. This is A dash whole dash is equal to A. This property is called law of double complementation. And the fourth one is law of empty set. Law of empty set and universal set. That is pi dash is equal to universal set and universal set whole dash is equal to 5. These are called laws of empty set and universal set. That's all, my dear children. These are the properties of complement of a set. Ultimately, you have to remember A complement or A dash is equal to universal set minus A. That is important formula. Okay, my dear children. Now let us start the sums in the exercise 1.5. All of you open the page number 20. All of you read this formula and tell me the formula, my dear children. Listen carefully and see that, watch this screen. Watch this screen, all of you, my dear children. Are you able to see this line where I kept finger? Are you able to see this line?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you read this, Disha Priya? Can you read this line? My dear Disha Priya?
Yes, sir.
Read this line.
Sir, A dash or A complement is equal
Yes. A dash or A complement is equal to universal set minus A. Okay. Next, my dear Samuel, read this formula. Read this formula.
A dash or A
Complement.
complement equal to universal minus A.
Universal set minus A, not universal minus A. Universal set minus A. Okay. Now,
Okay.
Vinisha, my dear Vinisha. My dear Vinisha, are you there online? Yes. Can you read this formula? Disha Priya and Samuel read this formula. Read the same formula here by watching this line. Can you read this one? Okay, Amma Vinisha, just listen carefully. Just listen carefully. Wow, how they are reading. My dear Catherine, read this formula. My dear Catherine,
Yes, sir.
read this formula.
A dash or A complement equal to universal set minus A.
Very good. Remember this formula, my children. I'm not making you read this formula, not for fun, not for fun. At least if you read this 10 times or if you listen this formula 10 times, my idea is you can remember this formula well. That is why I am making you read everyone. Okay. My dear Percy, read this formula.
Sir, A dash or A complement is equal to universal set minus A.
Very good. My dear Rexlin. My dear Rexlin. Are you there online? My dear Rexlin. Okay. Okay, it's okay, my dear Rexlin. It's okay. My dear Ria,
Yes, sir.
read this formula once.
Yes, sir. A dash or A complement is equal to universal set minus set A.
Very good. GS. My
A
dear
dash
GS.
complement equal to universal set minus A.
Very good. My dear Richard.
Sir, A dash or A complement is equal to universal set minus A.
My dear Nikhil.
Sir, A dash or A complement is equal to universal set minus A.
My dear Mahima,
Sir, A dash or A complement is equal to universal set minus set A.
and finally Benjamin.
Sir, A dash or A complement equal to universal set minus A.
You also reading the mistake. Not universal. Samuel also read the same, like as you read. Not universal minus A. Universal set minus A. Okay, listen carefully. How they are reading. Don't cut that words. Don't cut the words. Now, what are the De Morgan laws? Read these two also one by one. Read these two De Morgan laws. Disha Priya. Just I will read once. Listen carefully. Listen carefully, my dear children. De Morgan's laws. A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. And the second De Morgan's laws. A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash. Now will you read these two De Morgan's laws, my dear children?
Sir, we can't see A union that, sir.
Now,
Sir, no, sir. Right side.
this one.
Sir, A union B the dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. That second one is not visible, sir.
But on my
Yes, sir.
screen, huh?
Not clear, sir.
What about others?
It is clear, sir.
Can you see that second De Morgan's laws?
Yes, sir.
What happened, my dear? Yes, Richard also said okay. Rexlin also said okay. Once check your device. Nikhil also said okay. Because I'm setting here on my screen also, it is showing that entire book. It is showing the entire book. Once check your device, my dear Samuel. My dear Disha Priya, can you read this De Morgan's laws once? Okay, Benjamin. It's okay, my dear Benjamin. No problem. No issues. My dear Disha Priya.
Yes, sir.
Once read these two De Morgan laws. Once read this.
A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash.
Just wait, ma. Wait, ma. All of you listen carefully, my dear children. Don't read mistake. Don't read mistakes. Listen carefully. I read these two De Morgan's laws 3 times, and this Priya also read that first formula, first law, and now read the second law.
Sir, A union B whole dash A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash.
Are you able to see that complete book?
Sir, your right side of the screen is
Not visible.
no sir. That side, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Now it is okay?
Okay, sir.
What about Samuel? Is it okay now?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Now read this one. Read this. Read these two De Morgan's laws. Samuel,
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
read these two De Morgan's laws.
Okay, sir. A union B the whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. Second one, A intersection B the whole dash equal to A dash union B dash.
Very good. All of you listen carefully how they are reading. Vinisha, you have network issue. Catherine, my dear Catherine,
Yes, sir.
once read these two De Morgan's laws, ma.
A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. A intersection B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash.
Very good, my dear Catherine. My dear Percy,
Sir, A union B, the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. The second one, A intersection B, the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash.
okay, my dear Percy, my dear Ria, you have network issue.
No, sir. A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. A intersection B the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash.
Very good, my dear GS.
A union B whole thing dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. Number 2, A intersection B whole thing dash equal A dash union B dash.
Very good, my dear. My dear Richard,
Yes, sir. A union B, the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Then A intersection B, the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash.
very good, my dear Richard. Mahima, read these
Yes,
two.
sir. A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash, and A intersection B the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash.
Very good, my dear Mahima. Rexlin, you have network issue. Mic issue. Okay. Okay, it's okay, my dear Rexlin. But learn this one, how to read these De Morgan's laws. Okay, my dear children. These two are very important for this exercise. Now, are you able to see the book completely, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
Samuel, okay?
No, sir. Left side is not clear. Sir, I am using mobile, sir. So
That is the main reason. That's why you are not able to see that complete book. Okay. It's okay. I will post the notes. Don't worry. I will post the notes in the form of Google, in the PDF. Now come to the first question. Question number 1 in the page number 20. See the question number 1, my dear children. Very simple question. If you are perfect, in the formula of complement of a set, the first question is very, very dead easy. See that first one. Let Mahima, my dear Mahima,
Yes, sir.
have you taken the previous page screenshot?
I took the other page, sir.
This page not taken? This one?
This page I took, sir.
You took? Okay. After this page is over, then take that snap. Okay. Screenshot. Okay, ma. Okay. Is it okay? This book position okay, my dear children?
Perfect, sir.
Perfect? See here, given universal set 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a universal set. Okay, my dear Nikhil, it's okay, no problem, no issue. And A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And B is equal to set 2, 4, 6, 8, and C is equal to set 3, 4, 5, 6. These are different sets and universal set they also given. Find A dash. The first question is A dash. What is the formula, my dear children, for A dash? What is the formula for A dash?
Universal set minus A.
Just now you have read, all of you. A dash means universal set minus A. A dash is equal to universal set minus A. I told you previously, this is very, very important formula for this exercise. Without knowing this formula, you can't do any question in this exercise. Okay, my children. So universal set. Let us write the universal set. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus set A. What are the elements in the set A? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is nothing but extension of the concept of difference of two sets. Yes or no? Here this is one set minus this is the second set. This is the extension of the concept of difference of two sets. Then how do you find the difference of these two sets, my dear children? Can you tell me the steps to be followed? How can you find what I told? We have to find common elements and strike out. In the first set, one is there. Here also one is there. Strike out the common element. All of you listen carefully, my children. Follow these steps carefully. In the first set, 2 is there. In the second set, 2 is there. Strike out that. In the first set, 3 is there. In the second set, also 3 is there. In the first set, 4 is there. In the second set, 4 is there. Here 5 is there. There is no 5 in the second set. Here 6 is there. Here not there. Here 7 is there. Here not there. Here 8 is there. Here not there. And here 9 is there. Here not there. Now cancellation part is over. That part, cancellation part is over. After that, what should we do? What should we write here? Tell me. Anyone? In this set brackets, what should we write? After the cancellation part is over, what should we write here?
So the remaining elements in universal set.
Yes, the remaining elements in the universal set. The remaining elements in the first set. So what are the elements left after cancellation? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, my children. If you are strong in the difference of two sets, this exercise is very, very easy. See, second one, B complement. What is the formula for finding B complement? What is the formula for B dash?
So universal set minus set B.
Every time Ria only responding to my question. What about others? Simply watching the screen silently. No responding. Why are you not responding? Don't you know the answer? My dear Disha Priya, don't you know the answer for my question? Samuel, Catherine, Percy, Gius, Richard. Then why are you not responding to my question? Mahima, Nikhil, yes. Then respond to my question. Why are you sitting silently? Universal set. minus B, universal set minus B. Then first we write universal set, set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus set B. What are the elements in the set B? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, my children. Now, who will tell the answer? Who will tell the answer for this question? How can you find difference of these two sets? Who will tell? Okay, Samuel, tell me. Tell me, my dear Samuel. Yes.
Sir, we should cancel, sir.
First, we have to cancel the common elements.
Common element. Okay.
What are the common elements?
Sir, 2, 4, 6, 8.
2, 4, 6, 8. These are the common elements in the both sets. Now tell me the answer.
So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Yes. This is a B dash. Okay, my children. Right. Now come to the third question. A union C whole dash. Here we have to find A union C whole dash. First of all, we have to find A union C. Without finding A union C, we can't find A union C whole complement. So, what is the set A? Set 1, 2, 3, 4. Union. What is the set C? 3, 4, 5, 6. Then tell me the union of these two sets. Union of these two sets. Tell me. Who will
So
tell
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Very good. Not my dear Percy. 1, 2, 5, 6. Not 1, 2, 5, 6. Percy. 1, first of all, we write the elements of the first set. While you are finding union of two sets, we write all the elements of the first set. Remember this formula in your mind. So, set 1, 2, 3, 4. And we go to the second set and we write the elements of the second set without repeating the elements. Here 3 already we have written. Here 4 we have already written. So 5, 6. This is A union C. Okay, my children, don't forget the procedure. Now come to A union C whole complement. A union C whole complement means universal set minus A union C. Here base is A union C. So universal set minus whatever here base is there, we write that set. What is universal set here? Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus A union C we have found in the previous step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now tell me the answer for this. Tell me the next step. Who will tell the next step? Here we are finding the difference of these two sets. Yes, my dear Mahima. Yes, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Here difference of two sets means we have to strike out the common elements. Here 1, here also we strike out 1. Here 2 is there, strike out 2. Here 3 is there, strike out 3. Here 4, here also 4 is there. Here 5, here 5, here 6, here 6. After cancellation part is over, we come to the first set. We don't consider the second set. Remember this point. So set 7, 8, 9. This is A union C whole complement. Okay, my children. Similarly, find out A union B whole complement. Do that question as homework. Okay, my children. Now I am not doing that question. I left that question as homework for you. Next one, A dash whole dash. A dash whole dash. A dash whole dash means we remove this dash. We remove this symbol dash. So universal set minus A dash. Universal set minus A dash. What is universal set here? Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus A complement. We have already found A complement in this first question. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we are finding difference of these two sets. So we strike out the common elements. We strike out the common elements. Okay. We strike out the common elements. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. So what are the elements left in the first set? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no, my children? This is nothing but set A. This is nothing but set A. A complement, whole complement is equal to A. Previously also we have discussed properties of complement of a set. Okay. Next question, B minus C whole complement. Mahima? My dear Mahima?
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir.
Please take the screenshot of this page.
Okay, sir. Took, sir.
Okay, ma. Thank you. Now, see the next question, fifth question. Fifth question. So fifth question is over. Sixth one, A B minus C whole complement. B minus C whole complement. So first of all, we have to find B minus C. B minus C. After that only we find B minus C whole complement. What are the elements in the set B? 2, 4, 6, 8 minus. What are the elements in the set C? 3, 4, 5, 6. Then how do you find the difference of these two sets? Can you tell me? Common elements. Strike out common elements. So here 2 is there in the set. Second set 2 is not there. Here first set 4 is there. 4 is there. Here 6 is there. Here 6 is there. Then can you tell me the answer for this? What is B minus C? What is B minus C here? Set. Tell me fast, my dear children.
Sir, set 2, 8.
Set 2, 8. Very good, my dear Catherine. This is B minus C, but actually they asked here B minus C whole complement. B minus C whole complement means universal set minus B minus C. Universal set minus B minus C. Okay, my children. So we write elements of the set, universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus. What is B minus C? We have already found here set 2, 8. Set 2, 8. Now difference of these two sets. Difference of these two sets means we strike out the common elements. Then what are the elements left here after cancellation? In the first set, yes, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, comma 7, comma 9. Okay, my children. Understood this concept? Complement of a set? Yes. Will you do the second one? Second, third, fourth? Will you try the question numbers 2, second, third, and fourth questions as homework, my dear children? If there is any doubt, please feel free to ask your doubts. Richan has had a doubt yesterday or day before yesterday. He had a doubt. He called me and got his doubt clarified. Similarly, you also feel free to get your doubts clarified. Okay, my children. Now the time is 4 past 17 minutes. 4 past 17 minutes. You can leave the meeting, my dear children. Take rest. Take care of your health, my dear children. Stay at home. Stay safe. Use mask. Sanitize your hands frequently. Maintain social distance, my dear children, and do the work given to you sincerely and seriously, my dear children. Don't be lazy. Be serious in your studies. Right from the beginning, study well. Not in the 11th hour, not in the last moment. Okay, my dear children? Right.